Can you really unlock powerful trading insights without spending a dime? In the world of charting and technical analysis, one platform stands head and shoulders above the rest: TradingView. But if you're just starting out, or simply prefer to keep your expenses low, you might be wondering, how can I use TradingView without paying? Many believe a premium subscription is essential to harness TradingView's full potential, but that's a common misconception. The truth is, a wealth of features are available completely free, offering incredible value for both novice and experienced traders. It's all about knowing where to look and how to optimize your free account. So, how do you navigate the free version to your advantage? Let's dive in. The first and most obvious benefit of a free TradingView account is access to real-time market data and interactive charts for a vast array of assets, stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, commodities, and more. While premium accounts offer more real-time data from various exchanges, the free version provides enough for most casual users and even serious analysis. You can customize chart types, time frames, and even compare multiple assets on a single chart. This foundational access is invaluable for tracking market movements and identifying trends. Next, consider the indicators. TradingView boasts an extensive library of technical indicators, and a significant number of them are available for free. You can apply popular indicators like moving averages, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, and many others to your charts. While the free account limits you to 3 indicators per chart, this is often more than enough for effective analysis, especially when you focus on a few key indicators that align with your trading strategy. The key here is to choose wisely and not overcomplicate your charts. Beyond charting, the free version offers robust drawing tools. Trend lines, horizontal lines, Fibonacci retracements, support and resistance levels, these are all at your fingertips. These tools are crucial for marking up your charts, identifying key price levels, and planning potential trades. Don't underestimate the power of these simple yet effective tools for visual analysis. Community features are another huge plus for free users. TradingView has a vibrant community where traders share ideas, analyses, and live streams. You can follow other traders, learn from their insights, and even publish your own ideas. This collaborative environment is an excellent resource for learning and staying updated on market sentiment. While some advanced community features might be premium, the core networking and learning aspects are freely accessible. Finally, watchlist management is straightforward with a free account. You can create and manage multiple watchlists, allowing you to keep track of your favorite assets and monitor their performance without any cost. This helps you stay organized and quickly access the instruments you're most interested in. While the free version does have limitations, fewer indicators per chart, limited server-side alerts, and some advertising, these are minor hurdles when you consider the sheer amount of utility you get without spending a penny. By focusing on essential indicators, utilizing the drawing tools effectively, and leveraging the community, you can conduct thorough technical analysis and make informed trading decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.